Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? So, today we are going to change my husband's shirt to my daughter's frock. So, let's see how to change a men's shirt to a beautiful frock. So, this shirt was torn a little bit in the sleeve. So, what I planned, I thought I will change it into bam! A beautiful frock for my child. It looked really wow. So let's see how I did it. You can do it yourself easily. So flip it upside down and keep a t-shirt of your daughter on top of it and draw the sides. Okay, so leave a inch and draw the border for it so that you can stitch above it. Okay, so this is the t-shirt size for my kid. So what I did, I drew it outside so that I can cut there and stitch it inside. So this is how I did it. It was so easy, and it looked really beautiful on her. So I cut the sleeve. First I cut it, then we need to stitch it. Okay, it's that simple. So first I'm cutting the sides. If you can see, I am cutting the sides now. I'm cutting the sleeves of the shirt first, okay, so that we can fold that and stitch it first. Once I fold that and stitch it, it will be easy for me to stitch the other parts. And my dear friends, don't forget to like my video, share it, subscribe it, and click the notification bell. So once you have cut the sleeves, the next step is to cut the sides. Once that is also done, you can do in two methods. After drawing that also, you can also fold it into half and see that you have drawn it correctly, and you can draw to this shape and then cut the other side also. So this will help you to give an even shape on both sides. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this side. Actually, I'm using a soap to draw the sides. So what happened was, the first side it got erased off. So what I did, I folded and I just easily drew it. So this is another tip while drawing and cutting your dress. Okay, so once you have cut the dresses, it's time to sew it. So you're gonna sew the sides only, and that's it. It's so easy, my dear friends. It's so easy to do your own frock for your kids. See, the shirt is like since they are buying formals, my husband and all buys these branded shirts. So of course these branded shirts are gonna it's not that easily worn out. Okay, so this sleeve got torn just because maybe it's getting torn because he's folding his hands and something like that. So I think it'll be best if we reuse it for our kids. It's giving that great look. It's looking as if you bought a dress from Max, something like that. So if you can see here, we are just folding the sleeve and stitching at the sides to make it look neat. And then I'm gonna stitch the sides. Okay, so I'm just giving a neat stitch like that. And once that is done, okay, I'm gonna fold the sleeve. This is the sleeve. I'm gonna stitch the sleeve now. So once I stitch the sleeve, you can see I'm stitching the sleeve. Yeah, now that's done. So this is done. Do the same for the other side. You can also stitch it in your hands once you have the drawing on the shirt. Okay, so then there is it. There it is, sorry. The shirt is there. It looks so beautiful, and in fact, I did use the sleeve as her pant. She can use it at home. Hope you loved my videos. Keep on supporting me. Thank you so much, my dear friends.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.